Hey friends, it's Tracy. Welcome to today's video. I am excited that you're here. Now guys, today is launch day for the summer 2025 bundle set offered by Essential Stencil. I am a brand ambassador, and so I'm going to be showing you exactly what is in this bundle set. I had included a picture of it. I'll put it here on the screen. I had shared that with my community just as a sneak peek, just to get y'all excited and let you know what is in this bundle set. But I actually got my hands on them. I'm going to show you what is in the bundle set. Now, they're going to be available starting today and are ready to ship. Now, I have my affiliate code as well as my discount code, which is CC by Tracy 10, to give you an additional savings on this as well as anything else on the Essential Stencil website. So I'm excited to show you this summer 2025 bundle set. It includes 15 stencils as well as a new rub-on transfer set. Guys, I'm very excited about that. It includes summer, coastal, and patriotic, which is near and dear to my heart. So I'm so excited to be sharing that with you. Guys, always check the description box because I do have all of my information in the description box so that it's easy for you to find and easy for you to click on. All right, guys, let's go ahead and get into this and let me show you what is in this package because I haven't even seen it yet because I'm going to be opening it first here with you.